H40 Tech Ultra Flexible Gel Adhesive. Engineered with advanced gel technology. Made to bond all types and formats of tiles and natural stones. Be it on the floor, the wall, indoors or outdoors. Suitable for domestic, commercial and industrial projects. H40 Tech is used for outdoor applications including terraces, balconies, facades, swimming pools, fountains and overlay installations, and indoor environments such as sauna, spa and other demanding interior areas. H40 Tech has been classified under the industry's highest C2TE S2 and Type 4 TS2 standards. H40 Tech delivers superior adhesion and flexibility, engineered for maximum safety on challenging substrates. Ensure the surface is dry, clean and even using the right tools. For every 20 kilos bag of H40 Tech, it is recommended to add approximately 4.4 to 5.2 liters of clean water. Pour the required amount of water into a clean container first. Then add H40 Tech in proportion. Mix using a slow-speed power mixer to get a smooth paste. Unlike regular adhesives, H40 Tech has variable thixotropy, which means its consistency can be adjusted within the recommended water range. Use a notched trowel to apply H40 Tech on the surface. To guarantee structural adhesion, ensure the mixture fully covers the back of the tile. H40 Tech delivers superior adhesion and flexibility, giving strong support across the tile. Place the tile, adjust it, and press down gently. H40 Tech ensures maximum safety on difficult substrates, including large format and facade applications. This is real adhesion. Before the application begins to set, clean excess material from the tile surface using a damp sponge or cloth. Modern and powerful gel technology behind H40 Tech delivers the perfect balance of superior adhesion and ultra flexibility. It is this balance that makes every site exceptional and memorable. Because this is H40 Tech. Saalon से performance का एक नाम.